Ever wondered if there's a hidden code in the universe? Something that holds the key to unlimited energy and vibration? Well, today we delve into the fascinating world of one of history's greatest minds, Nikola Tesla. Known for his groundbreaking inventions, Tesla believed that the numbers 3, 6, and 9 held a special significance in the universe. These numbers, he claimed, unlocked the secrets to energy and vibration. Buckle up, because this mind-bending journey into Tesla's obsession with numbers will leave you amazed and questioning everything you thought you knew. But first, let's set the stage. Picture this. You're faced with a real-life common problem. You're searching for answers, longing for a solution, just like countless others out there. Little do you know, behind the scenes, Nikola Tesla was on a quest to uncover the mysteries of the universe, searching for those same answers. What he discovered was mind-blowing. Those seemingly ordinary numbers, 3, 6, and 9, held the key to everything he sought. Tesla's life's work revolved around these numbers. They appeared repeatedly in his research and inventions, fueling his obsession. He referred to them as the key to the universe, attributing profound meanings to each. Imagine if you could tap into the energy of the universe, unlock the secrets to manifestation, and bring about positive change. That's exactly what Tesla believed these numbers could do. Are you ready to journey with us into the mind of a visionary as we uncover the significance of 3, 6, and 9? But before we dive into the world of Nikola Tesla's numerical obsessions, we need your support. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more mind-expanding content. Your support keeps this channel alive and thriving. Let's begin today's discussion. Tesla had a unique fascination with numbers and believed that they held powerful insights into the laws of nature. He saw patterns and relationships in nature that could be explained by specific numbers, and he believed that understanding the significance of these numbers would lead to groundbreaking discoveries in science and technology. According to Nikola Tesla, the number 3 holds great significance in the manifestation journey. Tesla believed that everything in the universe can be explained through numbers, and that certain numbers have unique properties and vibrations. In the case of the number 3, Tesla saw it as a number of creation, manifestation, and growth. Tesla believed that when two elements come together, they create a third thing. For example, in human life, the combination of a mother and a father creates a baby. This concept of the power of 3 is seen throughout nature and various religious and spiritual teachings. Tesla also saw the number 3 as a mystical and spiritual number, representing the Holy Trinity in Christianity and other tri-natured aspects. In the context of manifestation, the number 3 is associated with the power of intention, visualization, and focused thoughts. When you focus on something and feel it in your mind, you are putting out a certain frequency or vibration. By repeatedly affirming and visualizing your desires 3 times, you are amplifying the power of your thoughts and attracting things that are in alignment with them. The repetition and consistent focus on the number 3 in manifestation practices help to program the subconscious mind to believe in the reality of your desires, making them more likely to manifest in your life. The number 3 serves as a reminder of the creative power within you and encourages you to take an active approach in manifesting your dream. How to do that exactly during manifestation process is coming up in this video. Another number that Tesla found intriguing was 6. He saw it as a symbol of balance and harmony in nature. Tesla believed that the number 6 played a significant role in the creation and sustainment of life. This belief influenced his theories and inventions, including the Tesla coil. According to Nikola Tesla, the number 6 holds significance in relation to manifestation because it represents the deepest strength within ourselves. Tesla believed that harnessing this strength can help us manifest our desires and bring them into reality. Tesla also attributed great importance to the number 9. He believed that it represented completion and perfection. Tesla saw 9 as a symbol of divine order and cosmic balance. He felt that by understanding the significance of this number, one could tap into the energy and power of the universe. Tesla's fascination with these numbers extended beyond their scientific implications. He believed that they held spiritual and metaphysical meanings as well. Tesla saw these numbers as a way to manifest desires and create positive change in the world. He believed that they represented the fundamental forces at work in the universe. Tesla concluded that these 3 numbers, 3, 6, and 9, hold a key to the universe. While the details of his findings are not provided in the source, it is suggested that these numbers have a deep significance and can help in aligning intentions and adjusting one's energy for manifestation. Now the most exciting part. How to involve these numbers in our manifestation process? I will discuss that now. The famous method called as 369 manifestation method. This technique involves writing affirmations a specific number of times throughout the day. 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the middle of the day, and 9 times before bed. There are 7 steps involved in this method. Step 1. Set your intention. Decide what you want to manifest in your life. It could be anything from abundance, love, career success, or good health. Be clear and specific about your intention. Step 2. Write your affirmation. Craft a powerful affirmation that aligns with your intention. Make sure to use positive and present tense language. For example, if you want to attract abundance, your affirmation could be, "I'm attracting abundance in all areas of my life effortlessly." Step 3. Morning ritual. Every morning, write your affirmation 3 times in your journal. As you write, visualize and feel the manifestation of your desire. Imagine yourself already having what you want and feel the joy and gratitude associated with it. Step 4. Midday Reminder. During the middle of the day, write your affirmations 6 times. This helps to reinforce your intention and keeps it at the forefront of your mind. Take a moment to visualize your desired outcome and connect with the emotions associated with it. Step 5. Evening reflection. Before going to bed, write your affirmation 9 times. This is a powerful way to program your subconscious mind with your intention while you sleep. As you write, imagine your desire becoming a reality and release any doubts or resistance you may have. Step 6. Repeat for 33 days. Continue this practice for 33 days straight. The number 33 is significant because 3 plus 3 is 6 and 3 multiply 3 is 9, which are the key numbers in the 369 method. Consistency is key, so make sure to follow this routine every day for the full duration. Step 7. Trust the process. Have faith in the manifestation process and trust that the universe is working in your favor. Let go of any attachment to the outcome and allow things to unfold naturally. Stay open to receiving and be grateful for the progress you make along the way. Remember, the 369 method is a tool to align your thoughts and beliefs with your desires. It helps to reprogram your subconscious mind and activate the law of attraction. Stay committed to the practice and watch as your manifestations start to come to fruition. And that brings us to the end of our video, where we explored the fascinating world of Nikola Tesla's 369 method of manifestation. I hope you found this information enlightening and empowering. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We really appreciate your support and would love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Share with us your experiences with the 369 method or any other manifestation techniques that have worked for you. We believe in the power of community and would love to create a space where we can all learn and grow together. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting, keep dreaming, and keep believing. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to having you with us on this incredible journey. Goodbye for now.